Hey you, welcome back to the channel. And guys, today we're going to talk about how to trade Mykos coin on the Waves platform. So if you're watching this video, you probably have some Mykos coin. You're probably wondering how to trade them. Maybe you're new to crypto or new to trading on exchanges, or maybe just new to using the Waves platform. So this video is going to show you what to do with your Mykos coin on Waves once you get them. You've probably got them through some type of social engagement or watching one of our videos, but however you got it, we're going to show you how to do that. Now, this is at thewavesplatform.com, and we're not going to go over how to get the wallet app in a decentralized exchange built onto that. You can watch other videos we've done that show you how to do that. So we're going to assume that you already got your wallet and you got some Mykos coin. Now you want to know what to do with them. So when you go to wavesplatform.com, you see these two buttons. You see the get client button and then you see the online client. And these are both interfaces to access your coins on the blockchain. The get client is just the extension, the Chrome browser extension, get client. And the online client, you'll find that you can just click on it. And I mostly use the browser, the Chrome browser, but I'm just going, for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you this as well if you want to just log in directly from your desktop. And you'll see here there is a standard sign-in page. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you what this interface looks like, in case you just want to use this from your desktop. So let me go ahead and log in here. And you'll see when I log in, I go directly to a interface screen here. And it looks like it's still loading. Let me go to portfolio here. Okay, there we go. Now you can see some of the assets in my wallet, and this is just like the browser, the browser extension. Same thing. It's just laid out. It's still stored on your device. You know, as well as all your assets, which is the nature of a decentralized exchange. This is showing the current price of Waves of $11.42. And so you could do everything you normally, that you normally do on the browser extension. There's the token creation page, but I'm going to go over here back to the browser extensions. So this is what I mostly use, and a lot of our tutorial videos show you how to use this. So now you got Mykos coin. Here's what you want to do. You want to use the identifier, and this is the identifier here. You probably have access to the identifier from one of our other videos, or however you came in contact with the coin. You probably saw that video, and of course you probably know by now you need the identifier to locate Mykos coin. And you can trade it. So up here, your third icon from the left, that's going to be right here, your decentralized exchange. And when I click on that, it's going to take me to this page here. And you can see a lot of cool, interesting things here with the decentralized exchange. Here you see Waves to Bitcoin. So you can trade Bitcoins, Ethereum, Litecoins against Waves. Again, the reason you need Waves on the platform, on the decentralized exchange platform, is how the fees are paid. This is how the creators are paid for us to use the decentralized exchange. All fees and transactions are paid in Waves. So, but it's the fees are very inexpensive. I think for one Wave you can do about 1,000 transactions. So probably most people probably won't do that many transactions, at least unless they're just like day trading every day. So I would say one Wave is going to pretty much cover a lot of that, you know, of your transaction fees that you're gonna. So very cost effective with that. But yeah, Waves to Bitcoins, and I can trade Waves to Mykos coin, what you have, but you can also trade Mykos coin to $1 to Bitcoin. So you can cross trade me. That's what I love about this platform. You can cross trade it to several of these these coins and also fiat currency. Because Waves allows you to take fiat currency onto their decentralized exchange and buy the coin directly, and you can send it out to your bank account. So only thing you need to do is with that identifier that we just covered how to get. And again, if you missed that step on how to get the identifier, when your coins were sent to you, only thing you need to do is look under your assets buttons, second button from the left, and you look for Mykos coin right here. You should see Mykos coin in your asset page when the coins were sent to you. Then come over here, click on details. When you click on details, up here is the identifier. And again, you're just going to copy and paste that. And that's how you got that. So then after we do that, then third button from the left here at the top, that's the decentralized exchange. Okay. Then you come here, and if we're going to trade against Waves, again, you don't have to trade against Waves, but I'm going to show you how to do it. You place the identifier against Waves. If I want to do Mykos coin against Waves, I place that there. Okay. Sometimes you have to. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Ooh, I think I messed up there. Hold on. Let me go back and grab that identifier again. Real quick here. Sometimes you have to hit it. You have to copy paste it twice, as the system may not pick it up. So I'm gonna run back over here. Okay, so let me highlight Bitcoins here against Waves. I'm gonna change out Bitcoins for, it's kind of being stubborn there. There it is. Now you can see my identifier here. I'm going to trade that out for Mykos coin. Now you see it switches from Waves to Mykos coin. And as I come down here, you can see all my Mykos coin orders here on the page. Okay. So now if you want to do another coin, let's say you want to do Mykos coin to Bitcoins, I'm going to just type in Bitcoins here, hit enter, and that should work. No, it went back to Waves. Okay, let's try USD. Let's try USD. Oh, I see what problem I did wrong. Okay, let me go over here to the Waves, to the Bitcoin market. Let's go Bitcoin to USD. And then I'm going to take out USD and put in Mykos coin. Okay, now there we go. Now you see Mykos coin switches from Mykos coin to Bitcoins, right? So now you can trade Mykos coin against Bitcoins. You can trade Mykos coin against, let me click over here on this side. That's the US dollar. So now I want to trade Mykos coin for US dollars. There's my identifier. And you see it switches from Mykos coin to US dollars. So that's a very cool feature with Waves. You can switch between these various currencies, and also besides tokens, fiat, so Ethereum, all of that. So very cool, very interesting thing to do. But because we're going to be, we have to pay our fees on Waves no matter what we do. What we're going to do is I'm just going to go back to Waves just for this example. Let's see here. Looks like it works easier to pull up the various markers when you use the buttons here on your right hand side. These little highlighted buttons here. I'm scrolling over. And it's best to click on those first to go to your markers. Then you can input the information. That looks like the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to hit the Waves to Bitcoins market, and I'm going to switch out Bitcoins for Mykos coin. Okay. It's that. Sometimes again you have to hit it twice. Okay. Now it's switched from Mykos coin to the Waves platform. So let's just focus on that just for now. This will work with any other cross token you trade with Mykos coin, but just because it's going to be paid in fees, we're gonna do it that way. So if I come here, down here, your Mykos coin should show in about this section. Now where it says buy Mykos coin, it's gonna, because I'm doing it in waves, it's gonna show you how many waves you actually have available to buy Mykos coin with. And if you go over here, it's gonna show if you want to sell Mykos coin, how many you have available. And you simply come here, use this order form. So you do have to convert to waves, the price in waves. So you get about, I guess about, one wave is about 1,000 Mykos coin, give or take. So what I'm going to do, the price in waves, I'm going to place the price at, let's see here, take it here. That equals about 1 penny, 0.0006 is about 1 penny. So let me take that out of there. And again, we come up with that number from, have to set our price first. So I already know what my price is, but waves are about 11 USD now, 10, 11 USD. So you probably get about 11, and Mykos coins about 1 cent USD. So you probably get about 1,100 Mykos coins for the price of one wave. Okay, so the Mykos coin amounts, that's the price of the waves. It'll be 0.006 waves for one. And how many? We're going to say 1,100. We want to sell, and it just so happens I have 1,100 Mykos coin there. Now, if you come down here, I don't know if you can see that on my recording screen, it says 0.003 waves. And again, that's probably about, maybe about a little bit over a penny USD, something like that per transaction fee, maybe 2-3 cents, something like that. So you can do a lot of transactions here. So as I put that order in, I'm going to hit sell. It says notice and the order has been created. If I come down here, you can see where you can get 1,100 Mykos coin for 0.006 waves, and that comes to something like, because you're converting across tokens at their exchange rate. Let me, to just make it more simple so you can see it too, I'm going to do it with the USD. So let me do Mykos coin against the USD so that you can also see it just more in an aggregate form, without the exchange rates. But as you can see, it's pretty cool how the system works. If you've traded on exchanges before, obviously this will be child's play to you. But maybe you're new, maybe you've never traded on exchanges. This is your first time in the crypto, and you got this. So that's why I'm going to do it real simple here. Just show you how it works and how you convert it. So let me take out USD again. I'm going to be putting my identifier in here. Sometimes you have to copy paste it twice. It just gets a little stubborn sometimes. And now you see it switch from Mykos coin to, nope, didn't want to do that. I did something wrong. Let me see if I can try that again. I think I put it on the wrong side. I needed to take out waves. Okay, so now it should switch. There we go. It switches from Mykos coin to USD. And so just in a very simple way, okay, if you look here, all right, I can sell 268 Mykos coin, right? That's what I have available now because I did the other order at 1,100. So let's see over here, but I only have 23 cents in USD. So obviously I don't like the US dollar because I only have 23 cents in it. So let's say I want to sell enough Mykos coin for that's for 23 cents. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to set the price in US dollars. So I'm going to set it at a penny, right? 0.01. It's 1 cent. So let me go 0.0.01. Okay, then you come down here to the next box, which is asking for how many you want. So I only have 268. So I'm just going to put 100 left. 100. Okay, so we know that 100 Mykos coin is going to run about $1. All right, so let me put the order in. Let me hit sell. And we'll see what we got. Being a little stubborn there. And I should have, we need to refresh that. Or I may have to log back in. But, I got that doing that. Let me try on the buy side. Let's try the buy button real quick here. I may have to just log back in. I think I did change my password on the online browser, but I didn't change it on the wallet. But let's see. Let me just try it on the buy side to place an order. Let's say I want to buy 10 Mykos coin. And coin amount is 0.01. And let's hit buy. Let's see if it works on the buy side. I think I'm going to have to log in. Okay, I see where it says order notice has been created. Okay, awesome. So now look what happens when you look down here in the my order section. I don't know if you guys can see that on your screen well, but it's converted it into the USD value, which is 10 cents. Okay. So that's what I was looking for. I was looking for the system to convert it to an aggregate amount that you could see. And it did that in your order section. It goes to 10 cents for 10 Mykos coin. So that's how that works. And again, you can trade all these various markets. Mykos coin to Bitcoins. It could be Mykos coin to USD. It could be Mykos coin to Ethereum. Mykos coin to Litecoin. And so very cool, guys. So now you kind of got an idea how to place your orders in here and what to do with Mykos coin, how you can trade it across the various tokens. So now that you know how to do that, put it out for market to sell, let's show you a little bit why Mykos coin sells, how it derives its value, just so you understand, because I was in a conversation with someone the other day and they said, oh, I see where your coins are free. And I told them, I said, I think where I made the mistake is where I said the coin is free, but I think I should have more accurately said the coin is free to you. It's not free. And we're going to explain that to you very shortly here. Why it's not a free coin, why it does have value, and why although it's free to you, it's not really free, but why your activities create value in the coin. So let's go over to the Mykos coin website here real fast, and I'm going to show you why that is exactly. So Mykos coin, we're on the Mykos coin website, and I'm just going to come here to where it says actually, I'm going to go to the home page, and you're going to see some activity here. Excuse me. You're going to see some various activities that coin users are doing with Mykos coin, blogging and various things like that, and how that their activities create value here on the Mykos coin website. So you can see people putting out their posts. A lot of these posts are users who came over from the steemit.com, another interesting social network coin creation. And I think what's very important to note would help you understand with Mykos coin is how it gets, its value. And we have a white paper section over here. This is our menu section over here on the right. And it just, goes on to tell you things like Mykos coin is a cryptocurrency which will pay you for doing things you already do online, surfing the website, watching videos, taking advantage of offers, shopping, traveling, various things like that. And guys, all these things create value because sponsors will pay us for your activities, and we put a great portion of these fees back into the market. Also, Mykos coin works and acts and behaves like a social network. You can, do social activities on Mykos coin, and we understand the value of social networks, right? So as it builds up, value-wise, as more people join the site and more people participate in the site, there is a certain attention value to that, and that's basically how it's deriving a lot of its value. This is an excerpt from a blog post I read over on Steemit.com by a Steem user named Steam Roland, and he talks about basically, if we were to take Facebook or Twitter, for example, the cost to develop the core software for each platform is probably in the millions using the latest technology. More than likely, Facebook and Twitter can be built with hundreds of thousands of dollars, and really crude versions can be built for tens of thousands. So we think about what that's being said. They're basically talking about the replication of software platforms like Facebook, like Twitter, that people can replicate for thousands of dollars. It costs them millions to build it, but now anybody can create these platforms for a few $1,000, if that, right? And many software developers can build a lot more for less because of the advancements in software technology. Just like Mykos coin, we're using this site, and we can do many things on this website at a very low cost because this is a replicated technology, right? Anybody can create a Facebook type platform. Anybody can create a Twitter type platform, right? But even if a technological product were easy to replicate, as the article writer is getting at, tools and open source libraries, you'd expect copycats to be worth 333 billion like Facebook, or 10 billion like Twitter, which is a lot more than that. It's probably more like 700 billion now from the time this was written. And that is due to the network effect and the psychological attachment people have to a particular product. These create huge and competitive advantages. And these are some of the reasons that Bitcoin and other digital assets maintain value, even when the technology is easy to replicate. So basically, guys, that's saying we can replicate just about any technology in the world. What really gives a lot of this value is the brand effect, right? Is marketing, is the utility in the use of the product. And so that's what Mykos coin is aiming for. That's what's giving us value, guys. The marketing, the brand effect. But let's look at a more practical way why the coin is valuable. There are many things that make the coin valuable and tradable, but this is a very specific a reason that we can give the coins out. You probably got your coin free, or it was free to you, not free. And I'm going to just show you a real quick example of why that happens and why that is. So this is a section here where you can actually, in our version, mine the coins or do what we call bond staking, where so much money goes, you're producing so much money into our coins that you've now created value in this coin, and you own a coin with value that you've created, put the value into that. And that's kind of like the bond staking model that we call it. But basically, we have these various offers and things like that, and you can see that you can participate in many of them for free. when you do that, we have sponsors that pay us, just like affiliate marketing and various things like that. Now, a great one, good example of this is like a site like qme.com. People can, it's a browser extension. People use it. Very easy, very simple. Carry on doing your normal day-to-day web surfing activities. And as you're searching for various things, keywords pop up on the left-hand side of your screen. If you click on any of those keywords you're interested in, they actually pay you monies through PayPal. And some of them pay good, sometimes like 20 cents just for clicking on one of these keywords. And people actually go out searching for certain keywords using this site. And this is just one example of how Mykos coin generates money. But what happens when you click on that, you sign up under us, we're going to give you 100 Mykos coin. But if you look up here, I don't know if you guys can see this well, at the top of my screen, there is a QMe button. And when I click on that, you see it it's a drop down screen here. And I don't know if you can see it. I'm sure you can see this. You see $1.13. That is because every time somebody signs up with this QMe browser, quick, easy, sign up to the browser. It doesn't cost you anything. And this is no spyware, no crazy stuff. There's a clean, reputable browser that works with eBay, works with Amazon, works with Google, works with Yahoo. And you see there's $1.13. What that means is someone signed up with our link and they paid us $1 for that. And we have $1.13 from people doing that. So this is how your coin creates value. Now, if we go back over to the Waves platform, the exchange, where our Mykos coins are, and you see all the various buy and sales orders. Let me switch back to Mykos coin to Waves now, because I like dealing up with the Waves market, because Waves value is going up. I think it's going to go up a lot higher. You can trade Mykos coin against all these other markets as well. But I think, right, for me, Waves is going to end up being probably probably one of the best markets to trade right now. So let me switch over to that right quick. Putting in my identifier. And the other video explains why it's good to use the identifiers. A lot of tokens are created. Some coin names match up in the search query, and it's hard to locate them. So it's very quick and easy. Just put the identifier in. You don't have any problems with it popping up. But okay, so you can see some of the Mykos coin orders here that are out in the Waves platform. So what would happen is, as these coins are placed out here, money's coming through the Mykos coin website, we can then go back into the market and kind of play market maker, where we can purchase these coins back and boost the value of Mykos coin. Now, not a pump and dump. This is real value that's coming through, as we just demonstrated. And this is what makes the coin sustainable. Makes it easy to introduce people in who are already maybe participating in such activities, get into crypto. And this is also why there isn't necessarily a direct need immediately for direct investment. But if you're a speculator, it's a good idea to maybe come in if you wish to speculate with Mykos coin in that regard. Maybe you don't want to do offers or watch videos or surf the web, things like that. Maybe you just don't got the time. You want to trade your time for purchasing some Mykos coin. That's fine as well. There's no problem with that, but you don't have to. And we're trying to create a sustainable market with Mykos coin. So guys, I hope this video has helped you understand what to do with your Mykos coin. Just a bare bones idea of how it works, and we'll have many offers on there. Well, one of I think one of our main offers we're going to start doing is dealing with a lot of referral programs through exchanges. As we know, a lot of you in crypto need to exchange. You need to use various exchanges. So why not sign up through our site with these various exchanges you're using, whether it's like Binance or Coinbase, and get you some a good amount of Mykos coin with some value, and you can trade it here with us on the Waves platform. Hope the video helped, guys. Guys, if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, take care.